Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at 3x3 systems of linear equations. This video is going to be a bit more conceptual than sort of question driven, so just sort of think about these more than writing stuff down. So let's think about a 3x3 system so that each equation has the form ax plus by plus cz equals d. So since this equation represents a plane in three-dimensional space, the nature of the solutions to our system depends on the ways in which three planes in space can intersect one another. So the figure on the next slide that I'm going to show illustrates that the system may have no solutions, many solutions, or one unique solution. So here in this first example that we have in the figure, we see that all three planes meet at one single point. And it's important to note that it's all three planes, right? So if we're just taking a look at these two planes, this horizontal one and this one that's facing us, they would intersect along this whole line. But since we're sort of looking at the three planes, we only have this point as our only solution. So next we're going to get into what an example of many solutions look like. So this is an example of a solution that's in the form of a line. So we can see that these three planes sort of intersect at this first point that we can see, and then every other point along here. It's going to be where all three planes meet. So this next example, pretty similar to the previous one, except for we have two planes that are that coincide with one another, but it's same basic principle. So we already have these two planes that meet each other. So right now we're just looking for where these two planes, the gray or blue, meet this white plane. So it's going to be at this point, and then everywhere along this line is where all three of these planes meet. So the next example that we're going to take a look at is a plane of solutions. This one's pretty easy to see. It's when all three planes coincide. So all three planes are on top of each other. So at every point, all three planes are intersecting. So this is our first example that we're going to take a look at that has no solution. So we can see here that this white plane, we can see that it intersects this horizontal plane and this other plane along this line and this line. However, there's no point at which all three planes meet. So we can see this plane meets both of the other planes, but not at a point where the other two planes meet each other. So that's why that has no solutions. If we take a look at this one, we can see that we have, again, if we're just taking a look at two planes, we'd have a solution of lines here, solution of lines here, or a solution, a solution that is a line here and a solution that is a line here. But again, since all three of them never meet, this system has no solution. And then finally, where we have three planes that are parallel, this is going to be, again, no solution. These planes will never meet and never intersect, never give any kind of solution.